In Marchegg, we spotted a pair of storks on their nest. The season has already begun. So I tried to paint a family wedding portrait for them. On 300 grams per square meter cold-pressed watercolor paper, I sketched the pair of storks in pencil. Then I covered them with liquid mask. Once it dried, I painted a blue sky using a large Chinese calligraphy brush. Maybe it could have been a bit darker. When that dried, I peeled off the liquid mask. It didn't want to come off the paper, which surprised me a little. Luckily, it worked out, and from there I painted in classic watercolor, the way I always do. Take a look at how it came together, and we'll play an unusual track by Macaroom to go with it. They're a Japanese electronic music band with a really distinctive atmosphere, and I hope you'll enjoy it too.
誰かの環境を恥ずかしがらずいつでも健康でいるのが理想悲しい報道と楽しい旅行をそれらを計算するのが指標後ろめたいねでもねバカにできない泣き晴らすのは無縁怒り心頭ねでもね身を削れない数え出すのは危険体験は無限体験は無限カフェテリアから見た無限体験は無限変わらないクラスの状況はやまない恨み助けが欲しいけど具体策は浮かばない泣くのは恥ずかしく大げさだからいつでも計算しているだけ後ろめたいねでもねバカにできない泣き晴らすのは無縁怒り心頭ねでもね身を削れない数え出すのは危険体験は無限体験は無限カフェテリアから見た無限体験は無限変わらない後ろめたいねでも変わらない怒り心頭ねでも終わらない後ろめたいねでも変わらない終わらない終わらない後ろめたいねでも変わらない怒り心頭ねでも終わらない後ろめたいねでも変わらない終わらない終わらない体験は無限体験は無限カフェテリアから見た無限体験は無限変わらない
Thank you for watching. What did you enjoy about this piece, or what would you change? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.